दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ स्टडी। गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू इन्फेंडीएस स्कूल। स्टूडेंट, today's topic is temperature, chapter number 4, heat. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn temperature, thermometer, types of thermometer and its inventor, temperature reading, precautions. Okay, so चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो what is temperature? How can I define it? So see, the reliable measure of the hotness or coldness of an object is its temperature. Okay, the hotter a substance or object is, the higher is its temperature. Okay, हम टेम्परेचर को छू कर महसूस करते हैं। पकड़ तो सकते नहीं है टेम्परेचर को ना, तो छू कर महसूस करते हैं बाय आवर सेंस। ओके, नाउ कम फ्रॉम थर्मोमीटर। व्हाट इज थर्मोमीटर एंड how it work? So thermometer, basically the device used to measure the temperature of a body is called thermometer. Okay, the thermometer was invented in steps. Some development were made by Galileo, Robert Fludd and Santorio. Okay, there are different kinds of thermometer used for measuring the temperature. The two common scales for measuring temperature are Celsius scale. First is Celsius scale and second is Fahrenheit scale. Okay, see student, you can see the diagram thermometer in your notebook. See, this is the thermometer. Okay, now come from types of thermometer. There are mainly two type of thermometer: clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. And first is clinically thermometer. So what is clinical thermometer and how it's work? The thermometer used to measure the temperature of the body of the humans and animals is called clinically thermometer. Okay, is that clear? And it was invented by Sir Thomas Clifford Albert in 1866. A clinically thermometer is also called doctor thermometer. Okay, see the diagram in your notebook. Clinically thermometer. See, दिस इज़ क्लिनिकली थर्मोमीटर। स्टूडेंट, इस थर्मोमीटर का यूज़ हम अक्सर जब बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, बुखार होता है, तब करते हैं। इससे टेम्परेचर पता चलता है हमारे शरीर का कितना है। डॉक्टर यूज करते हैं इसका। ओके, और नो द नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ हेल्थी पर्सन इन 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड और 98.6 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. Okay, 37 degrees Celsius. This is the symbol of Celsius, and 98.6 Fahrenheit. Okay, this is the symbol of Fahrenheit. Okay, now come from reading of thermometer. Okay, now come from reading of thermometer. So कैसे हम लोग मेज़र करते हैं, कैसे देखते हैं कि कितनी रीडिंग है थर्मोमीटर की. So there are 10 smaller division between them, then one smaller division is read as 1 degree. Okay, see, you have this is thermometer. Okay, and in this thermometer there are 10 division, 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. Okay, so in the first division, every first division, it's called degree. Okay, is that clear? Student, recall, there are 10 smaller division between them, then one smaller division is read as 1 degree. Okay, now come from precaution. What is precaution? अब क्या है सावधानी, क्या प्रिकॉशंस क्या है इसकी क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर की? तो प्रिकॉशन व्हाइल यूजिंग अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. स्टूडेंट, द थर्मोमीटर must be washed with antiseptic lotion like Dettol or at least with clean water. Okay, the thermometer should be given 2-3 soft jerks. Okay, do not laugh or talk when the thermometer is in your mouth. Note the reading in clear light. Keep the level of mercury along the line of sight while reading. Okay, this is the precautions of clinically thermometer. Now student, come from laboratory thermometer. So what is laboratory thermometer? आप सभी ने लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर को देखा है. So the thermometer used to measure the temperature of different object during experiment in a laboratory is called laboratory thermometer. Okay, just like आपने जार देखा होगा, बीकर देखा होगा. See, this is, यहाँ पे लिखा रहता था 1, 2, 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Okay, and you will also see this is, see, इसको देखा होगा. This is laboratory thermometer, and the bigger mark, the temperature generally in the range of -10 degree Celsius to the 110 degree Celsius. The bigger mark normally read 1 degree Celsius. Okay, the precaution while reading a laboratory thermometer are same as those are clinical thermometer. Okay, जो precaution reading clinically thermometer की थी वही इसकी है. Okay, is that clear? So student, this was topic thermometer, temperature. So student, read this topic and I will give you question answer after this chapter. Student, मैं आपको अभी जो पहला जो हमने वो करवाया था आपका चैप्टर फाइबर टू फैब्रिक, उसके शॉर्ट आंसर धीरे धीरे दूंगा, वो आपको नोट डाउन करने हैं अपने नोटबुक पर. स्टूडेंट, टेक केयर, बाय.